So we meet her in the library because that was kind of like our little conference room. So we meet her in the library and she turns to me first and she's like, "Did you find it?" "No, ma'am, we never got it." So she looks at the prosecutor and she says, "Do you have evidence that you turned it over to her? What do you have in response?" And so he tells her, "Judge, we're fairly certain defense did not receive this interview. In fact, in talking to the lead investigator, there is a whole box of evidence and information that was not even turned over to the DA's office. So we know for sure it didn't get to defense, right? But we don't know what's missing or the significance of it." So keep in mind, the jury had already heard this whole interview. And just to kind of put it into context, it was an incident where the interview didn't really describe it this way, but the way it could be interpreted is that Johnny got someone to go and basically kidnap this witness, take him to a warehouse, and kind of strong arm him into not cooperating with police. That's kind of the story that the prosecution painted through his questioning and through playing this video. But that really wasn't the case. In talking to Johnny, we got the story. It had nothing to do with this case. It had nothing to do with the deaths of these people. It really had nothing to do with anything illegal. It was this particular guy that was kind of crossing Johnny on a personal level, like starting rumors or whatever. And he didn't get anybody to go kidnap him. The guy didn't have a car. So Johnny sent his friend to pick the guy up. And the friend drove the guy to where Johnny was, and Johnny was doing work at a warehouse. Like, it wasn't this mafia type thing that the prosecutor painted it as, but that's the way it was presented to the jury.